Hi, welcome to Ancient Yoga for a holistic approach to life. Today, we shall see how to make an Ayurvedic kashayam or a herbal tea to cure cold and a sore throat. A brief introduction to doshas and what causes imbalances in the body. Doshas are biological energies found throughout the human body and mind. They govern all physical and mental processes and provide each living being with an individual blueprint for health and fulfillment. The doshas derive from the 5 elements and their related properties. Vata is composed of the space and air element. Pitta is composed of the fire and water element. And Kapha is composed of the earth and water elements. Ayurveda believes that imbalances of these elements and energies in the body leads to various diseases. Cold and sore throat is caused by an aggravation of Kapha. It is also caused by a weak digestion. When the food that we eat is not fully digested, it gets converted to ama or toxins. This mucus or ama reaches the respiratory system and causes cold or cough. The best home remedy is to drink this Ayurvedic tea and get plenty of rest. Bring a jar of water to boil and add some cinnamon to it. Cinnamon is used in the treatment of respiratory and sinus congestions. It is both an expectorant and a decongestant. In Ayurveda, cinnamon is used to balance the digestion and to pacify stomach disorders. In Ayurveda, cloves are considered to enhance circulation, digestion, and metabolism. It helps counter stomach disorders such as gas, bloating, and nausea. It also pacifies Vata and Kapha and increases Pitta. Add 2 teaspoons of grated ginger. I've used fresh ginger, but you can also use dry ginger powder. Ginger is useful in Vata and Kapha disorders. It has been used in traditional healing systems to improve digestion and elevate nausea and intestinal gas. It has anti-inflammatory properties and is antibacterial, making it an excellent remedy for a sore throat. It is also known to help reduce fever and cleanse the body of toxins. To this, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. There is hardly a system in the body that isn't supported by the powerful antioxidant qualities of turmeric. It is a powerful anti-inflammatory, the effectiveness of which is comparable to pharmaceutical medicines. Modern science is now beginning to understand and recognize the amazing healing qualities of turmeric. To this, add 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Black pepper is a rich source of manganese, iron, potassium, vitamins, and fiber. Pepper also provides relief from sinusitis and nasal congestion. Its expectorant property can help break up the mucus and phlegm deposits in the respiratory tract and clear congestion. Add half a teaspoon of cumin to this. Cumin is generally the first ingredient used in Indian cooking. It is an excellent source of iron, manganese, and other vitamins and minerals. Cumin has antioxidant properties that help in digestion and flushing out the toxins from the system. It also pacifies Vata and Kapha, hence is an excellent addition to this herbal tonic. Add a pinch of Himalayan rock salt. The usage and benefits of rock salt are quite different from regular salt. Regular salt usually increases Pitta, but not rock salt. Rock salt is one of those rare Ayurvedic substances that balance all the 3 doshas. Hence, it helps in relieving Kapha and clearing chest congestion. Boil this tea for a few minutes Add a few leaves of tulsi, which is often referred to as holy basil. It is a potent herb that has been used in India for thousands of years to treat colds, cough, and flu. According to Ayurveda, holy basil promotes purity and lightness in the body, cleansing the respiratory tract of toxins and relieving digestive gas and bloating. It is a strong antiseptic, and you can even chew on these leaves. If you like this video, then click the like button and share it with your friends. To get updates about my new videos and to stay in touch, click the subscribe button and become a yogi. See you next time. Stay healthy and take care.